Hi boys and girls, we're back for day 2 of the Algae Academy. Amanda and I have got a little start to save some time. Today we're going to make 3 different cultures of algae and observe their growth over the next 2 days. Our first one that we already did before we came on was an equal distribution of 50 milliliters of the media and 50 milliliters of algae. Right now we've already got our second one set up with 70 milliliters of media in the container, and Amanda's going to add 30 milliliters of algae to this flask. Go ahead, Amanda. She's going to use a wheeled pipette to slowly bring up 10 milliliters into the pipette. All right, all the way up to the 10. You got it, buddy? All right, put that into the flask. All right, that's 10, so we need 30, so we need 2 more of those. Good job. One more. All right, nice job, Amanda. You can set the pipette down on the table here. I'll switch with you. Make sure your hands not. Okay, so now we've got our culture set up here. We're going to move that over into what they refer to as a skirted falcon tube. Put 50 milliliters in here. And now we're going to use our seshi stick. You want to come in a little closer, Amanda? So this is a stick. It's got a little target on the bottom, bent at a 90-degree angle, and then it's graduated with measurements up the side. So you can back up a little bit, and we'll dip this in, and we'll take the measurement when we can't see. Here, you want to take a look at the liquid, Amanda, so you can see it coming down. And let me know when you don't see the target anymore. Right about there, we can't see it anymore. Take that measurement, that's about 40 millimeters. So I'll add that to our chart here. And in a moment, we'll use the chart we have on the computer here to determine the algae biomass. So for our last flask, I have this 80 milliliters of media ready to go. I'll add 20 more milliliters of algae, and we'll take our recording of that as well. And then we'll check back in 2 more days' time and see what kind of algae growth we have over 48 hours. All right, that's all mixed up. Move that into there's 50, and the same as we did with the last one. We're going to dip in, and here I get a little, there we are. I can't see it any further. This time we're at, right there, 55. Then you can get the pad here. So when we had 50 milliliters of algae, we were able to see it down 30 millimeters, and we could see it deeper with the less algae. And if you shoot up here the chart, this gives us the mass of the algae, grams per liter of algae we have. And for perspective, a penny weighs 2.5 grams. So the most grams that we're going to see down there is in our 30 millimeters, which puts us at about 0.22 grams of algae. And then we'll come back and we'll check on that on day 4. So thanks for joining us again here on day 2 of the Algae Academy. And on day 4, we're going to come back and take a look and see how our algae is growing And tomorrow we'll check in on it as well. So I hope everybody's doing well, and we'll talk to you tomorrow. Thank you.